Hello friends, hope you're well. I will show you that the new website and logo of the website. Enter the email address. First you can set that the email address and next enter the login password and next again confirm password and next invitation code and enter the sign up and next registration by phone first. You can send phone number and login password and confirmation for password and invitation code and next sign up. Welcome to New Web PV. We saw many provides the simple platform of the opportunity to log on time it was never closed. The Neverest Web platform is open the individual user to anyone can pay to the investor fund of the regulated by the CBS Financial Market Supervision Authority fee FANAMA ensures the safety of the investors foundation. A minimum deposit 8 USD and minimum withdrawal 3 USD. Number of the withdrawal unlimited handling withdrawal of the withdrawal any time. VIP1 purchase 0 USDT daily point 3 USDT income. VIP2 purchase amount 8 USD and daily the top is 3 USD. So VIP3 in purchase amount 32 USD and the daily income is the 11 USD. And VIP4, VIP5, VIP6, VIP7, VIP10, VIP share your annual social networking groups. Innovation leakers they enjoy high commission and third association and team section ABC to rate 6 percentage and 3 association and 1 total amount commission 10 and level 2 team 6 3 the other parties of 100 1000 USD will to 60 USD. Option is task hall, VIP1, VIP2, VIP3 and VIP4, VIP5, VIP6 and next option is member list and next regular authorities and next the VIP plan. VIP plan is VIP1 to daily task 1 simple interests 130s and daily profit 130s. VIP2 daily task 1 simple interest 30 and daily profit 3. VIP3 daily task 1 simple interest is 11 daily profit 11. VIP1, VIP4, VIP5, VIP6, VIP7, VIP8, VIP9, VIP10 and next option is team. Invitation code 931238. Copy, share, refer link in the start earning. Copy that selection provide team size 0 and team members, team withdrawals, team size, team recharge, team size level 2, level 3 level and next option is VIP plan. The next option is task is completed, and next option is withdrawal.